মাইক্রোফিন্যান্স অর্গানাইজেশন হিসাবে বন্ধন একটি সুপরিচিত নাম। বন্ধন দীর্ঘদিন ধরেই গরিব মানুষের মধ্যে লোন দিয়ে তাদেরকে আর্থিক উন্নতি করার প্রয়াসে নিজেদের নিবিষ্ট করে রেখেছিল। বর্তমানে এই বন্ধনই এগিয়ে এসেছে গরিব মানুষের তৈরি বিভিন্ন হাতের কাজের সামগ্রীর প্রদর্শনীর জন্য একটি আউটলেট খুলে। তারা বর্তমানে সল্ট লেকে বন্ধন ক্রিয়েশন নামে একটি আউটলেট খুলেছে, যেখানে গরিব মানুষের তৈরি বিভিন্ন হাতের কাজের সামগ্রী তারা প্রদর্শনী করছে এবং সেখানে সেই সমস্ত সামগ্রী তারা বিক্রি করছে। তাদের একমাত্র উদ্দেশ্য গরিব মানুষের আর্থিক উন্নতি করা।
We started it in the September last week. I hope that the 27th. Only 4 months is in now. We have been crossed on that, and every day we got it the more than 50 footfall in here, and out of 50, there is a 60% people purchase from here, and they are also given the feedback is a very excellent design and quality also. So that and the repeated customer also is coming on that. You are right, we are the microfinance is a major activities, and this initiative actually helping to the microcredit client, and they will get the good of the market linkage, so that they are produce the more product and their income will be increased. So if the market is a big issue for the poor producer, so through this the initiative we are promoting in their product to the mainstream market, and it is also linked with the microfinance program and with the same objective of the microfinance program. Actually we have not shifted the business. It is very linked with our existing activities. Existing activities, you know that we are providing the credit to the poor people to increase their income, and those are people are receiving the loan from us. They are 100% are the women. Those are the women receive the loan, they increase their income, and out of those women some are the artisan, and when they receive the loan and make their product, and they are not get the good price from the market. So for that reason we have been initiated this initiative. So where we are providing the good design according to the market need to them, and also maintaining the quality. After that we purchase that the goods and sell it in this. We are not outsourcing the product, we are directly contact with the producer, because we are providing the credit to them, so that we know them, and accordingly we are select that the artisan, and then we have the internal designer, and designer promote the design according to the market need to the poor people and that artisan, and artisan accordingly make their product with this design. In this year we have been open the one outlet, and second outlet we are very soon opening to the Goriahat, and next year again we are opening the 2 outlet. Within 3 years we will be reached to the 6 outlets in the different place of the West Bengal, and we are till now with 20 clusters we are working with 380 producer, and within 3 years we would like to reach the 200 clusters, and if 200 clusters, each cluster is 100 people will be working there, so we will be reached to the 2000 producer. 2000 producer can link with this the outlet in the 6 outlets. We hope that they can be sold out in their product more than 10 crores.